Okay, what's your name? What's your name?
Jade.
Jade. Who am I?
Mom.
Grandma. What's your puppy's name?
Oh.
What?
Oh.
Oh, how about Gregor?
Oh.
Is Gregor your puppy? Is Cassie your puppy? Who's that?
Mommy.
Who's in the kitchen?
Dad.
Daddy's in the kitchen. Who's this?
Baby.
You're a baby doll. Who's that puppy over there?
Again.
Gregor. What's your kitty's name?
Oh.
Gizmo?
Don't.
And Lily?
Me.
Lily. What else? You say, hi, Grandpa.
Hi, Pa.
Say, hi, Jenny.
Hi, Daddy.
Say, hi, Hannah.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Toddy boy.
Hi, Dad boy.
Hi, Bruno.
Hi, Pa.
Say, miss you.
Mom.
See you again.
Again.
Again. Mwah.
Ma.
Love you.
No.
Bye.
Bye.